This video explains how a dealer can raise a free service claim to BECB. Type ZSR_free_CLM to go to check the free or PDI claims raised. Click icon to open the list of plants for which you want to process the free service claim. You can enter the values in the field to restrict the range. Click the continue icon to see the list. Double-click the plant to select it. Click the icon to see the list of company codes. Double-click the company code to select it. This date range is the date interval for which you want to see the free service claims raised. Click icon to see the calendar. Double-click to select the from date of the interval. Click icon to see the calendar. Double-click to select the to date of the interval. Click icon to see the list of claims. Click icon to select the claim for which the request has to be raised. Click Create Claim icon to create the claim to BECB. The claim number is generated. Click Continue icon. Click to return. Click to return. Type the transaction code WDY to upload the claim-related documents and send it to BECB. Click icon to continue. Enter the claim number that was generated. Press Enter. Click icon to edit the claim. Scroll up and click on the Upload File box. Then click the icon to upload documents. Browse through the folders where your document is stored. Double-click the document to select it. Press Enter. Click Save icon to save. Click Actions icon to open the action items. Click icon to raise claim to BECB. Click icon to exit.